Hey guys! In this video, we'll quickly and easily learn how to create a stylized house in Blender. First, we'll create a cube and try to shape it into a house. So let's do a time lapse. Now that we've got the general shape of the house, it's time to add some details to the model. To give our model a softer look, we'll use the subdivision surface modifier. And finally, we'll add materials to our model. I used the Blender Kit add-on for this, which really speeds things up. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Until next time, take care.